Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something that I haven't done in a very long time, and that is to show you what I've got this month in my LookFantastic beauty box. As always, I have a small magazine, you know, with the products that I've got in my box and with some other products, and there will be some description on them, and there are also prices on the products, which I always find that to be quite amazing, just so that I know if I want to buy the product or not in the future. Then we have the Elle magazine, and I am always so very pleased to get my LookFantastic box, not only because of the nice products that I will be getting, but also for this magazine. So moving on now, here we have the products. So the first product that I've got here on my hands, it's a Lift Structure, an ultra lifting cream from Filorga. The prices on all of the products that I've got, I will be linking down below, so don't worry about that. Okay, so here it says to apply morning and evening into face. It contains collagen and hyaluronic acid. Expect visibly tighter and plumper skin with restored firmness in just 7 days. Okay, so I think at some point I will be trying this product and see if it works. So the next product that I have, it's a salt spray, this one here, and let's see what that is. It says to spray it on hair for a beachy finish. So let's see.
Smells nice. It has a nice scent. Okay, so we'll spray that into the hair.
But it smells nice, that I can totally say. It gives a nice structure to your hair if you work it with your hands. It smells amazing. Oh my god, it smells so nice. I don't know, maybe you guys, if you want to see more about this product, just let me know in the comments below. And I will move on now to, it's again, I think it's a face cream. It's called SVR. It's with hyaluronic acid and omega-3, 6 and 9. Okay, it's actually for the eyes. Okay, so it's made in France. And let's see a little bit more on this product. SVR Dry Plus Sensitive Eyelid Cream. It says to calm and soothe sensitive and itchy eyes with this gentle treatment for dry and easily irritated skin. With clinically proven effectiveness, this French eye cream delivers 24-hour hydration, immediately relieving any discomfort. It's supposed to reduce redness and irritation, moisturize and delicate eye area, and protect against external aggressors. It says to apply morning and evening to the eyelids and eye contour. Okay, now the next product that I have, it's a BioEffect serum for improved appearance of skin, and it's so small written here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so small, it's crazy. Okay, so apply to face, and it's a promotional size, of course it is. Okay, so let's see what that thing does. Okay, so it says, using a plant-based replica of EGF, a naturally occurring human protein, the serum acts as an anti-aging treatment by reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's 100% vegan, and this mask delivers results in under 10 minutes. How to use: smooth 2-4 drops over clean and dry skin on the face and neck, patting gently until fully absorbed. Well, it's a serum, you know, so you actually have to use like the very smallest amount that you can from this product. I mean, I could try it sometime in the future and see if it's working, because, you know, I'm not the youngest anymore and I do have like to kind of change my skincare routine so that I won't look in 2 years like an 80-year-old lady, if you know what I mean. So the next product I have, it's a peeling mask. This is how it looks like. Okay, it stinks. It's white. Oh my god, it stinks like blah. Oh, okay, not good. Okay, let's see what that thing does. Apply for 4 to 6 minutes depending on skin tolerance and use weekly. Maintain skin's youthful appearance with this peeling mask from Danish skincare brand eCooking? eCooking? I don't know. This mask buffs away dead skin cells to reveal a radiant and glowing complexion. 100% vegan, this mask delivers results in under 10 minutes. I don't know. I am somehow careful, you know, when it comes to peelings and trying different new skin products on my face. I have said it before, but I'm going to say that again. I have like a super crazy sensitive skin. I will get like super fast red and I will break out, you know, and these breakouts that I've get, they're not like this big pimples, but there will be like small ones, and mostly here on my forehead, and this is how I know that something didn't work really well with my skin. And that will be also maybe a foundation, a powder, I mean like everything that it has to do with beauty products applied on my face. Yeah, you know what I mean. So the last product that I have, it's actually a soap from Korres, and oh my god, this is just amazing because I love all of their products. They are made in Greece. I mean, I come from Greece, so obviously I will love every Greek product, right? Duh. So this one is made with chamomile. It smells really nice. Korres Natural Pure Greek Soap, Chamomile or Olive and Olive Blossom, as you can see here on the description. Okay, so it's formulated with natural ingredients. Elevate your daily cleansing routine with this multi-use soap. Okay, so these are the products that I've got this month from LookFantastic. Thank you again, LookFantastic, for sending me these amazing products to try out. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And also let me know if you guys ever tried any of these products, or maybe you want to try them. And yeah, I see you guys on my next video. Bye.